So we are down here at the BullStreet Project where we've done the roof on these, and the super has asked us to come down and take a look at some mounts that they're going to install on the roof. So we just want to make sure that they don't mess up our roofing and make sure that nobody has any leak problems. Okay, so this is part of the BullStreet revitalization project. We worked on this building over here to your right. We did the TPO roof, we did the shingle roofs, and now we're just going to take a look and make sure everything is good. You see those boxes up there penetrating through the brick? Those are called scuppers. Those are actually drains for our TPO roof system. So we put them in so the water that gets in on the porches up there can exit out the building. And this building has 5 units in it, and as you can see up there, there's a wall between each unit. Just a beautiful location, really pristine. It's a great part of this revitalization. Here's some of the hardy trim that they'll be installing around all the perimeters. And what I'm looking for is the thickness of the trim boards, so that when we come back to put our capping on to finish the project, we know how wide to make that capping so it goes on over the trim. And we don't want to have any leaks. So what do they got? When the boys put their braces on, did they lift up shingles? Put the braces underneath?
What I can tell, they did.
Good. All right, that's always a problem.
Uh-huh.
We run into it all the time. What you got here? Oh. Where exactly is this going? 2 foot down off the wall?
Correct.
So you have a total of what, 5 of them?
Yes.
Okay.
But there'll be
one for each unit.
A set for each one.
Okay. This is the cap over the top?
Correct.
Okay. So that actually gets mounted to the roof deck.
That's it.
Where this flange here is so narrow, you only got 1.5 inches, 2 inches maybe, we need a minimum of 4 inches. So we'll have to flash this off. What we're gonna have to do is get this marked exactly where these are gonna go, okay? We'll send a guy up here, you guys mount them, take the shingles off in that area, mount them, and then we'll put the flashing and shingles back. We'll have to get these sealed up. If we don't flash this off properly with a wide flashing, it's going to leak. Now I'm glad Jerry called, because we've had these issues before where people just slam some stuff down and we have problems. So these are the HVAC unit mounts that they're going to put up on the roof, and we're going to have to remove some shingles. They'll mount these down, and then we'll put the shingles and flashing back so that we can get this taken care of. So I'd like to have seen, a wider flange around the curbing. That way we don't have the issue, we flash it off appropriately. Yeah, but those units are pretty heavy, so you definitely want to have some sort of support. We're going to make sure that we get it flashed off correctly and shingles put back around them correctly so that we don't have any issues. We've got repair crews that are available. On my end, I will get together with my repair, and as soon as I got it scheduled, I will let you know. I'll be here together, we'll work it out together. So this is how you stand up the Alumipole scaffolding. Watch it, guys. And that's why Fernando hired me, is to help with that quality control. That's why I'm here. That's why when Jerry called me, I was like, yeah, man, I can get there.
I got it.
But I'll get someone out here either Monday or Tuesday at the latest, and we'll make it happen. All right?
No problem.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
I don't mind working with people.
Appreciate it.